Good day, folks. It's a sunshiny day up here at the farm. Just got done unloading a load of hay. Just noticed that we have a bit of an issue with our greenhouse when I come down here to check on it. Excuse me. Excuse me. The sun always makes me sneeze. So I don't know if you can see this, but it came apart from the base right there. So that the channel, that wiggle wire channel, it's still holding the pressure of the building, but it actually came away from the base of it. So like I can reach my hand right inside the greenhouse now. So we've just got to, I think these screws probably just came loose. So we got to depressurize it, take that out of the take the wiggle wire out, and then reattach that to the base. So I'm gonna get that done this afternoon. But let's go look at the temperature inside. So I don't know what the temperature is outside today. Probably, I don't know, probably -5, -6 Celsius. I wish you could feel it when you walk in the door here, but, and so here's the temperature in the greenhouse. Yeah, just about 25 degrees, 22 degrees Celsius or something in here. So one thing that's really quite neat here is that this black pipe that's over here, and you see the little dial thing that's here, that is a little pump, little fan right there. So we're taking the air out of the greenhouse, we're shoving it down that pipe, and that pipe goes underground here, and it goes out into our compost pile, which is just outside here. You can't really, oh, I can kind of see it through the, that's the compost pile and back there. So it goes out and it makes a big coil inside that compost pile, and then it turns and comes back up this pipe. And this pipe right here today, I need to get a temperature of this, but it's sending out like, I don't know, 20 or 25 degrees Celsius air. That's all coming from the heat that's within that compost pile. It is so warm in here right now, it's unbelievable. You can see all these little weed plants are doing great. This was a couple of celeries that we stuck in here to see what they would do, and a few broccolis. Now I don't think they're gonna make it, but there's still some little broccolis on here. Anyways, it's just kind of a little trial. So now I got to take this Christmas tree out that we had for the Christmas markets, and I think it's going to go into our living room. Waste not, want not here on the farm. All right, folks, have yourself a wonderful day, and I'll try to get back into the swing of putting videos up, because I've been pretty slack since our markets finished. Even during the markets, really, we were just so exasperated with everything going on. But it's time now to get back into the swing of things, and between Joe and I, we'll do our best. Merry Christmas, folks.